All right, welcome back to the class. Now, in this particular session, we are going to be looking at the choose rows function. The choose rows function is also a lookup and reference function, and what it does is that primarily it extracts specific rows from an array or range. So the syntax will be equals choose rows, and then you have your array, which sometimes can be the entire range of your value, and then the row numbers that you want to extract. And then, of course, you can also choose key features such as select and return only specific rows. It supports multiple row selections, helps reorganize data sets efficiently, then it works with dynamic and static arrays. So now let's go into the Excel worksheet and see how this simple function works. So I'm going to extract rows from the data on the other side. So I have my array, which is the entire range of data. And then I'm going to provide the row number that I want to extract. So I will say I will extract row 11. I will extract row 21 and row 41. Then I can close my bracket and display the row. And as you can see, the Excel worksheet has gone into this particular worksheet to extract this number of rows. So we have 10, 20, 41, but row 11 has this data. That's why we have that. Row 21 has this data. And then, of course, row 41 has this data. So that is why we are seeing the response that we have here. So the choose column, the choose row, will choose from row, while the choose column will choose from columns of data. So it depends on the number that you provide that it will go into the worksheet and pick out what your choice columns or row is. So in this case, we have done for the row. All right, so this is where we are going to stop. See you in another section, and bye for now.